In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video using Clipchamp. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started, being able to edit your videos efficiently is an essential skill. So let's dive into the process step by step. First up, you'll need to access Clipchamp. You can do this by visiting clipchamp.com in your preferred web browser. If you already have it installed as an app on your computer, you can also launch it from there. Once you've landed on the site or launched the app, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in button and click on it to proceed. Now Clipchamp offers a convenient option to sign in using your Microsoft account. Click on continue with Microsoft, and if prompted, select your Microsoft account to log in. This streamlined process makes accessing your projects and settings quick and secure. After signing in, you'll find yourself at the Clipchamp home screen. Here, the first step to editing your video is to create a new one. Click on the Create a New Video button to open the editor interface and begin your project. To start editing, you'll need some media to work with. Click on Import Media. This will allow you to upload the video file you want to trim. You can either select the file directly from your computer or simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. This intuitive interface makes importing your video clips a breeze. With your video file successfully loaded onto the timeline, you can begin the trimming process. Look for the trim handles at the start and end of your video clip on the timeline. By clicking and dragging these handles, you can adjust the start and end points of your video to highlight the exact segment you wish to keep. Once you've set the trim handles to your desired frames, make sure the selected frame represents the part of the video you want to retain. This ensures precision in your editing process. For further editing, like cutting out a specific section, use the scissors icon. By clicking this, you can divide your video exactly where you want to make a cut. If there's any unwanted portion or clips that need removal, you'll immediately have the option to delete them. Click on the delete button to remove the unnecessary segment you've cut. Finally, you may end up with a gap in your timeline where your edits were made. Clipchamp conveniently provides an option to close this gap. Simply click on delete this gap to ensure your video plays seamlessly without any abrupt pauses or empty spaces. And there you have it. You've successfully trimmed your video